Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of the most underrated yet powerful tools in fitness, the jump rope. Whether you're an athlete, a fighter, or just someone looking to get in incredible shape, the jump rope is your secret weapon. It's not just for kids on the playground. It's for anyone serious about getting fit, strong, and agile. And if legends like Roberto Duran and Mike Tyson swear by it, you know it's the real deal. So why is the jump rope so effective? Let's break it down. The jump rope has been a go-to training tool for fighters and athletes for decades. Boxing legend Roberto Duran, who was notorious for his fluctuating weight, relied heavily on the jump rope to shed pounds and get back into fighting shape. And he didn't just use it to lose weight. He used it to sharpen his agility, improve his footwork, and build explosive power. Just imagine Duran, who could balloon up to 200 pounds between fights, using the jump rope to melt away 50 pounds or more during training camp. It was his favorite way to exercise. And it's easy to see why. If you're looking for a workout that burns calories, builds endurance, and improves coordination, then jumping rope is where it's at. It's fun, it's challenging, and once you get the hang of it, it becomes almost addictive. Jump rope burns calories at a rate similar to running. But here's the kicker. You can burn even more calories by adding difficult skills, or using a weighted rope. A 2013 study by Arizona State University found that just 10 minutes of jumping rope could have the same aerobic benefits as 30 minutes of running. That's efficiency. The benefits of jump rope don't stop at burning calories. It's a beast when it comes to cardiovascular health. It gets your heart pumping, increases bone density, and even boosts your immune system. The up and down motion helps drain your lymphatic system, which is essential for a strong immune response. Take former unified world boxing champion Brian Valoria, for example. His jump rope routines are a testament to the athleticism and coordination that come from years of skipping rope. Jumping rope isn't just a cardio workout, it's an all-around athletic enhancer. Want more power in your legs? Jumping rope improves explosiveness in your lower legs, ankles, and feet. This leads to better agility, quicker reflexes, and enhanced stamina. Key traits for any athlete. It's not just your legs that get a workout. Jump rope is a fantastic way to build shoulder stamina, which is crucial for sports like boxing and martial arts. Skipping rope requires precise coordination between your hands, feet, and breath. The need for rhythm and timing improves your overall coordination, making you more balanced and aware of your body in space. Start with the basics. Master the 2-foot jump before moving on to more complex moves like the boxer's skip. Keeping your arms close to your body and your hands at waist level will give you a smoother, more natural swing. So how do you get started? It's pretty simple. All you need is a jump rope and a bit of space. But not all jump ropes are created equal. Let's talk about what kind of rope is best for you. 1. Licorice ropes. Ideal for beginners. Made of nylon or vinyl, these ropes are durable and can get up to medium speeds. Look for handles with some weight and a ball bearing for smoother rotation. 2. Beaded ropes. Great for beginners. The extra weight helps you feel the swing better, and the sound of the beads hitting the ground helps develop rhythm. 3. Speed ropes. Best for advanced users. Made from denser, faster materials. Speed ropes are designed for high-speed performance and advanced tricks. 4. Weighted ropes. For those looking to increase calorie burn and build more strength, you can choose a rope with weighted handles to work your forearms and shoulders, or a rope with weight throughout to target your chest, shoulders, and upper back. 5. Ropeless jump ropes. Perfect for indoor workouts where space is limited. As you get more comfortable with jump rope, you might want to adjust the length. A general rule of thumb is that those between 5 feet and 5'4" should use an 8-foot rope. Those between 5'5" and 5'11" should go for a 9-foot rope. And those over 6 feet will need a 10-foot rope. But remember, you can always cut the rope to your preferred length if needed. Now let's talk about skills. The key to effective jump rope training is mastering the basic techniques before moving on to advanced tricks. 1. 2-foot jump. This is your bread and butter. Jump off the balls of your feet, just high enough to clear the rope. 2. Boxer's skip. For those serious about jump rope, learning the boxer's skip is essential. It allows for a more fluid and efficient jump pattern, which is crucial for longer sessions and advanced skills. Keep your arms close to your body and your hands at waist level to maintain a smooth swing. Focus on your rhythm and coordination. This will make your jumps more efficient and less tiring. Jumping rope is more than just a workout. It's a full-body experience that can transform your athletic performance. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, incorporating jump rope into your routine will help you build explosive strength, improve coordination, and boost your cardiovascular health. So grab a rope, start skipping, and feel the difference.